Hi friends, today we're going to be making a quick and easy and affordable hand sanitizer. You know, I know that you've heard the news lately about all of the viruses that are going around. We don't want you to get any of that. After washing your hands really good, have this wonderful hand sanitizer. You most likely have both ingredients or 3 ingredients in your cupboard right now. So I'll see you in just a second. Let's get started. We're going to begin with our 70% rubbing alcohol. This is what you're going to need here. We're also going to need some aloe vera gel. The essential oil that I chose today is going to be the tea tree oil. It's very important. This is antimicrobial, antibacterial. It's wonderful for killing germs. This is what I would recommend that you use if you're going to make this. If you don't like the scent of tea tree oil, you can obviously put lavender or any essential oil of your choice in there instead. Now, some items that you're going to need to get started is going to be a mixing bowl, a whisk, a spoon, the measuring cups, a funnel, and some containers. So let's start mixing this up. First, we need 2/3 cup of alcohol. We're going to squeeze 1/3 of the aloe vera gel. Okay, once we add our aloe vera, we're going to add the 15 drops of the tea tree essential oil. And you're going to use a spoon to stir it up, but I found that the spoon didn't actually work really well. So what I did was I chose a whisk. And then I whisked it up and it really incorporated the ingredients together, and it's definitely a more cohesive gel. So that was just perfect. Once you get that done, you're going to get your containers, a funnel, and then you're just going to pour it into your containers. When you're finished with the product, you're going to have something that looks like this. Let's try it. Looks like hand sanitizer, feels like hand sanitizer, and it just cost you a few pennies. I want you guys to be safe. I love you guys. If you like this quick, easy video, hit the like button and subscribe. Share it with your friends. And if you make this, go ahead and comment below on what you think. And I'd love to hear what essential oils you chose in your hand sanitizer. You guys stay healthy, be safe. Have a great day. Bye. Today, I'm going to show you how to... I can't get it.